Are you pouring hours into social media and seeing little to no return? Let me show you how YouTube can work for you, bringing in leads and sales automatically, even while you sleep. If you're like most business owners and content creators, you've probably spent countless hours on social media scrolling, posting, and hoping for results. But let's be honest, most platforms just aren't built to convert your time into leads and sales. I'm going to show you how YouTube is different and how you can use it to generate leads and sales on autopilot. Unlike other platforms, your content disappears in hours. YouTube is the world's second largest search engine. Your videos can keep attracting views, leads, and sales for months or even years after you publish them. That's why so many business owners and content creators are using YouTube as their lead generation machine. So how can you do the same? The first step is to create videos that answer the exact questions your ideal customers are searching for. Don't focus on going viral. Focus on being helpful and specific. Use keywords in your titles, add descriptions so your videos show up in search results, and get discovered by the right people. Every video should include a clear call to action. Offer a lead magnet like a free guide, a checklist, or you can even put a form linked in the description to have them book a one-on-one call with you. When viewers download your lead magnet or book a call with you, they join your email list, moving from viewers to real leads. Organize your videos into playlists so viewers can binge watch your videos and move down your sales funnel automatically. Use YouTube cards and end screens to keep viewers engaged and guide them to your offers. I'm a big fan of organic social, but if you want to scale faster, consider running YouTube ads to reach a larger audience and drive targeted traffic to your lead magnet, website, or sales page. Here's how I'm putting this into action. I'm creating a series of videos that answers my audience's biggest questions. Each video links to a form I've created, which my viewers can fill out their information, including their email, to work with me one-on-one. I'm also using playlists to keep my viewers engaged and to keep them watching more of my videos to drive them to my offers. Ready to stop wasting time and seeing results? Here's what you need to do. Identify your audience's top questions. Create targeted videos with strong calls to action. Set up lead magnets and use YouTube cards and end screens and playlists to automate your funnel. Download my free YouTube lead generation guide in the description below. If you want to see exactly how I'm building my YouTube lead machine, make sure to subscribe and watch the next video here.